In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Interactive Brokers statement. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to view the statement that matches the time frame and accounts you care about, with a few tips to make the process smooth and accurate. Start by going to Performance and Reports. This is the area where Interactive Brokers organizes your portfolio analytics, performance metrics, and, most importantly for today, your account statements. It's typically found in the main navigation of your account portal. Once you're there, you're in the right place to generate or review statements without hunting around other menus. Next, click Statements. This takes you to a dedicated page designed for statement management. Here, you'll see options to run a new statement or view existing ones. Existing statements are those you or your organization have generated previously, which is handy if you need to revisit a prior month or year without setting everything up again. Running a new statement lets you tailor what you see by choosing the specific accounts and time period you want covered. Now, select the account or accounts you want to include. If you manage more than one account, such as individual, joint, or retirement accounts, you can include a single account for a focused view or select multiple to see a consolidated picture. Take a moment to confirm the account identifiers so your statement reflects the exact holdings and activity you expect. Choose the period you want reported. You can pick daily for a single day's activity, monthly for the entire month's trades, cash flows, and performance, calendar year to capture everything from January 1st through December 31st, or custom date range for a precise window, perfect for mid-month projects or specific audit periods. If you're preparing information for taxes, calendar year is often the most convenient. For troubleshooting a specific trade or cash movement, daily or a tight custom date range is usually best. Always double-check the dates before proceeding to avoid partial or unintended ranges. When you're ready, click View to open it in your browser. The system may take a moment to generate the report, especially for longer periods or multiple accounts. Once it loads, you'll see a structured statement with summaries, detailed activity, and performance sections. Scan the header to confirm the account selection and date range match what you intended. If something looks off, like missing trades or unexpected balances, revisit your period and account choices and run it again with the correct settings. That's it. With performance and reports, statements, the right account selection, your chosen period, and a quick click on View, you can confidently access the Interactive Brokers statement you need.